Hey guys, Alex here and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't replaced a flat tire on your Toyota Tacoma, I guess that's a good thing, but in the event that you need to do it, it'd be a good thing to know how. So stick around, let's figure out how to access the spare tire and let's learn how to do this together. I just want to give this a little bit of context as to why I'm doing this video today. About 2 months ago, I upsized my 30-inch wheels to 33 inches and I didn't bother replacing my spare rim and tire as I did not want to spend another $600 just for that purpose. So what I ended up doing was I searched for a used 285 7017 tire and I was lucky enough to find one that looks very similar to the Needle Ridge Grappler, and as you can see on the left I got the Goodyear Wrangler Duro Tracks, and to me it looks very similar, and for the purpose of just having a spare tire I think will serve the purpose well. As you can see here, the tire has plenty of thread left and it'd be perfect for an emergency use. So let's figure out how to access the spare tire from underneath the truck. So first things first, we need our spare tire tool, and you can find that underneath the rear passenger seat, and you can access it by lifting this up, opening this compartment, and we have the jack and we have the jack tool, but we don't need the jack for this video. We only need the tool as we are not replacing a tire today. So this is just being held by this strap. Just unhook it, take it out, and there we go. So the pouch actually comes with all the instructions on how to assemble the tool and how to lower and put back everything together. So that's a great reference right there. And essentially all you got to do is assemble these rods. There's a female end and a male end, and all you got to do is line it up, and there's a clip that clicks, and same thing with the one with the hook. Line it up and click, and that's pretty much it. The wrench will be your handle, so all you got to do is again line it up with the hole, insert this like so, and this will give you some leverage when turning the tool. Just directly above your plates there is a rectangular hole, and I actually stuck a flashlight inside there so we can all see what is going on. But all you got to do is stick the tool into this hole and line up the hook of the tool with that notch and turn it counterclockwise, and it should lower down the spare tire. So let's just go ahead and do that. Oops. Now that we got it all the way down, we should be able to move the chain and the clamp out of the way. And pull this out. Wow, that's only been there for about 6 months, and there is a lot of dirt accumulation, and we'll clean this up. Hopefully it hasn't rusted yet. We'll give it a good clean, and that should do it. So now we got to mount the bigger tire and hope that it fits. Before we raise up the spare tire into its place, we need to do a few things to ensure that this is done correctly. First, make sure that the correct side of the tire is facing the right side up. So check your stem valve and make sure it is facing up just like so. Second, when you slide the bracket from underneath the hub, the claw on the bracket must come out from one of the lug nut holes. And finally, make sure that the bracket is centered relative to the hub hole to make sure it sits perfectly flush against the rim. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and raise this up, and hopefully the tire fits. We shall see. So let's just check out how this fits. This is the left side, and as you can see, we got room here. It's not touching anything. And in the back, let's slide into the back, or to the front, I should say. And we got some room between the differential and the tire, so no problem there. We're also good on the left side so far. Yeah, so it looks like everything sits nicely for a 33-inch. There's definitely room for a 33-inch, but I highly doubt that a 35 would fit underneath here, or anything bigger than a 33 anyway. So there you have it. So there you have it, guys. We are all done here, and I hope that this video was helpful to you. I definitely learned something new today, and now we also know that 33-inch tire would fit in there without a problem. And anything bigger will definitely require some modifications, or you'll probably need to mount that tire someplace else. But 33-inch, there's no problems, and I'm glad that it all worked out for me. One other thing that I would like to mention to you guys is please don't forget to put this back where you got it from, as it could be a real challenge to lower that spare tire without this tool. So don't forget, put it back, please. And again, to my subscribers, thank you so much for following me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'd consider doing so. And until the next video. But for now, if you can be anything, please be kind.